at the marina. We're about to head out. Oh, sunblock. I wonder if we brought that. The bridge. We'll go to the other side. Got us a waterfall, some shady hat. Alright, we got the bird's nest up here. Birds going crazy. Here's the condos they've been building. We got the lower ones for $2 million, the upper ones for $1 million. Nice spot right by the village though. Just walk over. One over there, our other one.
Here comes the big boat. Uh-oh, they're gonna try and tell us to get away from the curb. Party boat, party boat. It's like blaring, huh? I wonder what that'll look like when when you see this. Because I was like this. Can it go in the water, babe? Can I put it in the water?
Stop that video. It's so good. We got Phil and Yvonne out here kayaking again in tandem. Found our spot, but it's not looking like it used to.
Memorial Weekend.
Oh yeah, Memorial Weekend 2023. But party boat heading out. If you can see that, it's probably a little in this camera. All right. Alright, we got a sweet house right there. But we're still running out of time. No, we're good. We're good. Alright, this water is pretty murky, but see if we can find any fishes. See, look at all these dragonflies though. Just cruising along with us. Alright, dropping in. Alright, so, any fishes? I don't think so. Try it. Yacht closed. Alright, we're cruising by the hotel here. Looks like they got a beach back in there. Yeah, so you can, if you stay there, you get your own kayak. Which, I don't know, can't know how much the rooms are, but it might be. If it comes with the room, how many, what do we pay for this? 50 bucks? 55? Alright. Alright, so that should have been a fun little video. We got the golf course. Jack Nicklaus design golf course. He's a pretty well-known guy. Alright. We're here at Lake Las Vegas. Alright, we're checking for fishes. I don't think we found anything under there. I think it's going to be pretty murky once we get there. Don't. Alright, so we made it to our spot, but the spot's getting a little run down. We got rebar everywhere. The water's definitely lower than last time. But what are you doing?
I'm putting it still underneath my butt.
contessa. Oh, we flew the drone successfully. See how that turns out. We're gonna head down the lake, see what we can get to. I found I think it's I don't know if you can see it, but one of the workers at the golf course right above us, one of the landscapers, lost their hat, was down here. So ours now. Around in circles, apparently. We got our party boat out here. One day those houses will be built, and you'll remember this day back when they were being built. Alright, so this is the house me and Wayne worked on. But see, underneath the infinity pool, it's like a open area underneath, and there's a bar, and it's a swim up bar to the swimming pool that's underneath. I know, it is pretty cool. I don't know who owns that now, but it's pretty sweet. Look at that pool, man. How cool is that? It's like a kiddie pool up there though. Oh, looks like they're painting it. Yeah. See those steps right there? See those steps? Me and Wayne did those in stone. What? Look at that. It's fucking badass steps. Give me and Wayne some credit.
Yeah, they look amazing stuff.
Are you kidding me? There's a I caught her like right in the last second. There's Angela's grocery store. Uh-oh. Lost the hat. DJ and food.